Since I was in middle school, I was always very into makeup. I would watch makeup tutorials all the time, even though I didn't wear makeup. And when I got to high school and I actually started wearing makeup, I happened to know a lot about it because that's all I did in middle school. And I believe that makeup has just been a big part of my life since then. And because of it, I know what makeup is bad for my skin and just bad in general for everyone, and what makeup I should be using. And because of that, I wanted to choose this topic of how makeup is good for your skin and for yourself in general. So, first, I want to talk about how tinted sunscreen is so much better for your face than actual foundation, and how the tinted sunscreen is also good for your acne, and also how makeup can help your self esteem and confidence. So, first, I will be going into the tinted sunscreen. I use the one by Dermatology, the tinted moisturizer. It's a tinted moisturizer, but it's used as a foundation. Oh, foundation. So, this foundation I use, it's just sunscreen, the color of your skin. So it's not much to it, but this sunscreen, Miss Nara from Harvard said choosing a broad spectrum tinted sunscreen may help prevent age related skin damage and may help to prevent cancer inducing skin problems in the future. And it can also help from extra pigmentation, which I used to have quite a lot because I never wore sunscreen on my face, which is really bad. But as you can see right now, I do have a couple darker spots, but that's because I don't tend to wash my face masks as much as I should, which is really bad. But I tend to wear tinted sunscreen, and it has helped my skin a lot, not only with acne, but just with the health of it. Like my face, I would get sunburns all the time, even while wearing foundation, and like my face would be really red, and it was super bad. But now going to the part of the acne, this helps with acne a lot because it's so lightweight and it's just sunscreen. It helps so much. Sunscreen can help your skin, your acne so much. I know the people say that it's bad because it goes into your pores, but it's actually the opposite. It helps a lot when exposed to like heat from the sun, and acne flares up even more. The heat is damaging to you and can irritate your skin. Dr. Lee said this in one of her articles, and I found that acne clearing makeup doesn't really work for me. So when I started using this and it was so lightweight, it's like cleared my acne so much more. And the tinted sunblock is like, it has no scent. It just smells like sunblock, but it's not strong, so it doesn't affect your skin at all, and it protects my skin so much from the sun. So here I'm just gonna show how I put it on. It's not hard. You just put it on your hand and apply it like sunscreen on your face, and it's the color of like your skin tone. I don't know if there's more colors, but I think it's just one universal color, and it blends into your skin tone, and then later it like brightens as it goes on. So I just put this on as sunscreen. I try to get like everywhere because I don't want to get burnt, and also I tend to get a little bit insecure about the redness in my face. So this kind of covers it up once it like sets in my face. But usually I put on concealer afterwards, just so it can look a little more darker, like it can help it blend in more. So now I'm going to go into how makeup in general helped my confidence and my self-esteem, because if I'm being honest, in the past I wouldn't have been able to just wear the tinted sunscreen because, as you can see, it's still very natural. It still hasn't set. When it sets, it just covers a bit more, but before I would pound my face with foundation, which is not bad. It's not bad if you like to cover your whole face and everything, but as I said, it just wasn't good for my skin. But I've noticed that makeup helps your self-confidence a lot. It helps you express yourself in a way that you couldn't before, and it's art. I believe it's art. I believe makeup is a type of art for yourself. It just helps you express yourself, helps you feel better. And as Ms. Navarro said, cosmetic usage plays a significant and positive role in self perception of attractiveness as well as perception of others. And I believe that is really true because before I would never go out without makeup. But now I can go out without makeup because I believe makeup also built my self confidence when talking to people because I knew that I looked good with my makeup, but I realized that as I talked to people, I didn't need the makeup to feel myself to make myself be out there, to make myself be an attractive person, to make people want to talk to me because I found out like people still want to be my friend, people still want to talk to me even without my makeup because of my personality. But makeup just helped me grow that confidence to talk to other people, which is so much better. And I really believe that's why makeup is such a big part of my life. So, as I just talked about, I talked about how makeup helps you and your confidence, how the tinted sunscreen can help from the heat damage and help prevent acne, and it's much better for your skin than foundation. So, yeah, I think that everyone should use makeup and everyone should try to at least build their self confidence